Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're wondering what's even more exciting than a bouncy house, it's a bouncy house water park. You're gonna love this one from AirMyFun. This adorable shark-themed water park is the perfect addition to your backyard fun. This is a bounce house and slide that can be used with or without water, so you can use this throughout all kinds of weather, different seasons, and still have fun with it. My nieces can play on this thing for hours and not get bored, and it gets them moving around and being active and just having an absolute blast. The setup could not be simpler, and with the included blower, this takes less than 2 minutes to set up or take down. The kit comes with everything you need, and there's also just a lot of attention to detail and safety for your little ones, so we've been so impressed with how safe and comfortable it is for them, and they can just enjoy it and be a kid. The ring toss game and the basketball hoop, these are all just added little touches that really add to the fun of this whole setup. So all the variety, it just keeps them really interested, and it allows you to have a lot of fun playing with them as well. The two sprinkler attachments just take the fun to the next level. They've got the sprayer at the bottom that they can move around and soak each other. And then of course the sprinkler that they go under on the slide is so much fun. That water collects in the pool at the bottom, and that makes for even more splashing fun when they go down the slide. So it's been an absolute joy watching little ones enjoy this shark-themed water park, and all I can say is that I really wish I had one when I was a kid. So if you're looking for the perfect way to keep your kids entertained, active, and enjoying the outdoors, definitely check out this bouncy house. We have been so pleased with this, and that is my point of view.